Hello class, welcome to part 8, the last video of our poetic analyzation of War Photograph by Kate Daniels. In this video we will be going over theme. Feel free to put what you think the theme is in the comment section. There are two possible themes that I have discovered, one that I actually think is the theme, which I will say first, and the other I discovered and I don't believe it is the theme, but it could be a possible theme. Theme depends on the person. So, the first theme that I believe this poem, the first theme of the poem, the message it is trying to convey is that when someone is in distress, far away, and someone wants to help that person, they feel a sense of powerlessness and grief. They feel weak and they feel full of grief because they cannot help that person. This poem creates a statement towards human nature in that regard. The second theme I think it is the reality of getting used to bad news. Because this is based off the last four lines, an alternate view of it. The audience may have got used to the bad news of the war and everything involving that they just hear the story and view the child and they just move on with their lives because it's just another, it's just more bad news. So they just move on. It's just another part of the story. It's because of the terrible human nature and how bad the world is and how much bad news there is. They just move on anyways. So that concludes all parts of this poetry analyzation. I thank you for making it this far. Thank you for your time, and have a good day.